Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start inside File Explorer because Windows 11 restricts direct pinning from some places. Open the folder containing the app or an app shortcut. If a shortcut doesn't exist, create one by right-clicking the executable and choosing Create Shortcut. Once done, right-click that shortcut. You're looking for Pin to Taskbar. This approach ensures the shortcut is trusted by the shell and avoids limits that affect store or system apps, so pinning succeeds without extra tools. Next, choose the most reliable route. If the app appears in Start, right-click its tile and select Pin to Taskbar. This uses Windows' built-in policy for pinned items. If you prefer Explorer, drag the desktop shortcut onto the taskbar until the pin glyph appears, then release. If you can't find the exe, press Win+R to run shell, Apps folder, and create a shortcut. These steps cover both store and classic apps because Windows handles them slightly differently. Make sure you see the pin confirmation. To finish, click the new taskbar icon to confirm it launches the correct program. If it opens something else, unpin and recreate the shortcut pointing explicitly to the exe. Once done, pin again to ensure the right target is stored. If the icon won't stick or disappears, restart Explorer or delete the taskbar cache and sign out then back in. This often clears corruption. If problems persist, make sure you have permission to modify shortcuts or try the command line methods as a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.